welcome to Ghanatoday TV, and once again I'm Nana Kofi. I'm here to bring you another trending story on social media. So some good news for Ghana movie industry, as actress and TV personality Nana Ama McBrown has been picked for a Hollywood upcoming movie. Nana Ama actually broke this whole news on social media as she was so happy because these directors for the movie didn't only tell her on the phone, they actually flew into the country and almost a plane see Ghana. She has been selected for a Hollywood movie. This is a big news for Ghana, and we are all proud of Nana Ama McBrown. Number Cramposan, so your McBrown's kitchen. I just say, Opopon and Sanu and no and PC pa and garden next to you. I go for your more comfort. So yes, that's the big news that Nana Ama McBrown shared on social media. Yes, she has been picked for a Hollywood movie. Actually, this is really big. So yes, proud of you, Nana Ama. Here's Nana Ama McBrown.
Okay, people, you're impressed. I'm not too well. I'm home. And today I have some amazing, hey, I say I'm superstar, but I see superstar too. And I like him. I watch his movies and all that. Welcome to Ghana.
Thank you, Ama. Hi, I'm Khalil. What's happening, y'all?
I'm
home. I'm home.
Machi.
Machi.
I want to say. You don't know what to say.
Good day. You say my Yenya.
Oh my God. And I have the director of the movie coming to Africa. I actually did a movie with them last year, but we didn't speak much about it because the corona. I actually did a movie with them last year, but we didn't speak much about it because the corona, no, you know, not corona, not saying yes, you understand?
But we here now. Corona can't stop us.
Never.
No. Maxine. Yeah, Maxine. Or hope the same. Or hope the same.
Yeah. It means we're fine.
Okay, we're fine.
PY.
Yes,
PY came with them. And we're all together. We made that wonderful movie, Coming to Africa. And they're all here. They're back.
Yes.
We're going to do some private screening on Friday.
Yes, a private premiere.
Private premiere, rather.
Yes.
Yes, on Friday.
A moving pic. 6 p.m. black carpet. Come in your African print dress. Wow. Yes.
I need to get my
But and it's totally by invitation. It's not. We are not selling tickets.
Oh, okay. And ton tickets. Okay. That's right. And I buy and share who's here. Hey, okay. Do you know any Ghanaian musician? Do you know any Ghanaian musician?
Hey, Stoneboy, I already told PY, tell him I've been waiting to see. Hey, and me, my wife, Adina. We waiting to see Adina. Stoneboy, I've been bumping him since we left.
Let me ask. You know, do you know? Okay, do you know any Ghanaian musician?
You know Adina and Shatawale.
Hey! So McBrown's Kitchen, we are here at home. Into McBrown's Kitchen, Fatua, leave it there. Fatua, bedidi, bedidi. Dinina, okay? Dinina, be okay? That's my director, yes. Where the Shatawale in your power? Too much.
You're going to take the yam.
Anyone?
Yes.
And what? Tell me.
The garden egg stew. So when I first came to Ghana and Nana Ama welcomed us into her home, I came humbly to ask this superstar to be in my little movie. And I didn't expect her to cook for us. And I turned around and she had this food and I said, what is this? And it hit my taste buds and went all through my body. And she told me it was garden egg stew. And it was wonderful. And from then on, it was my favorite Ghanaian dish. I love wache, I love the jollof, I love some others, but that garden egg stew, I tell everybody about it.
And the wife is here to eat my garden egg
Yes,
stew.
and I've been telling her.
Yes. Annette. Wow, I'm not too well, but I'm happy to see my family from the other side. And then I'm a brother for my